In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Gmail inbox effectively. We all know how quickly emails can pile up, making it hard to find what you need. So, let's explore some strategies to streamline your inbox and gain back control. Firstly, open your Gmail account and have a look at your inbox. As you sift through it, you might notice that emails are arranged by the date they arrived, with the newest at the top. While this is the default setup, it might not always be the most efficient way to access important communication swiftly. To begin sorting, locate the sidebar on the left, an essential tool that gives you multiple ways to organize your emails. An effective approach is to use folders, also known as labels in Gmail. Labels help categorize your emails without removing them from your inbox. To create a label, click on More at the bottom of the inbox sidebar, and select Create New Label. Think about the categories that fit your needs. These could be work, family, or bills. Once created, you can assign labels to emails by selecting a message, clicking on the label icon at the top, and choosing from the list. The beauty of labels is their flexibility. Emails can have multiple labels, allowing you to sort them into several categories at once. Beyond labels, another remarkable feature to utilize is the search bar. Gmail allows you to filter emails with specific criteria. Simply click the small arrow on the right-hand side of the search bar to reveal advanced search options. Here, you can search by subject, sender, or even specific keywords. For instance, if you're looking for emails from a client sent in the last month, you can do so rapidly. Now, let's talk about the starred and important sections. Starring an email is simple. Just click the star icon next to any email you deem noteworthy. This marks it for quick access in the future. The important marker, represented by a yellow tab, is a feature Gmail uses to automatically filter emails it considers significant. Although convenient, remember you can manually adjust these settings based on your preferences. Another great tool is filters. They automate the process of sorting incoming mails. To create one, navigate to the search bar arrow again, input criteria, then select Create Filter at the bottom of the search box. You can set up actions like automatically moving an email to a specific label or marking it as read, saving time and effort. Once these elements are set up, Gmail offers a tab system to help identify different types of emails. These tabs, like primary, social, and promotions, categorize emails upon arrival. To customize, go to the Settings cog, select See All Settings, then Inbox, where you can tailor which tabs to display. To wrap up, sorting your Gmail inbox is about using labels, filters, stars, and search features harmoniously. By refining these tools, you create a personalized structure that caters to your unique priorities, ensuring that essential emails never slip through the cracks. Implement these methods, and watch your email experience transform into a more streamlined and efficient system.